established as a joint partnership between education specialists, Pudar Group and the Kohinoor Group. SEDEL has a company vision to be the leading sports education provider in India. With a combined experience of over 150 years in education between the two parent companies, SEDEL is well placed to deliver quality sports product in this Indian education system. In the line with its vision, SEDEL has begun its journey in 2009 by securing the exclusive rights to the prestigious Cricket Australia designed cricket education program for India and successfully established a number of cricket academies under its cricket division Cricket India Academy across Mumbai and later on in different parts of India. World-renowned cricketer Brett Lee is the brand ambassador and Mike Hussey and women cricketers Elise Perry and Elisa Healy are the role models for CEP. Currently, Cricket India Academy offers cricket education to the age group right from 5 years onwards till 16 years and beyond, and its academies are spread across Mumbai, Thane, Mangalore, Coorg, Rudhipur, Raipur, and shortly coming up in Chennai, Hyderabad. And its target is to be present in most of the metros, semi-metros, and prominent cities in the next 3 years. SEDEL has taken the initiative to launch its first CIA's Under-12 Premier League 2013 in Mumbai. After a thorough selection process, 12 leading cricket academies from Mumbai were invited to participate in CIA's Under-12 Premier League 2013. The league is yet another tool of CIA to impart budding cricketers not only from its academy but also across from Mumbai, a platform to showcase their talent and skills as there is only one another tournament in this category. CIA's Under-12 Premier League 2013, which began on April 26, has seen the participation from prominent academies which include Worli Sports Club, MIG Gymkhana, Venkateswara Cricket Foundation A, Venkateswara Cricket Foundation B, Taibe, Chandrakant Pandit Cricket Clinic, Amri Cricket Academy, Lalcha Cricket Academy, Parlatala Cricket Academy, Police Gymkhana, Cricket Academy India, and Mahim Jamunai. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to you Mr. Arun Kumar Khaitan, the CEO of SEDEL. I would like to request Neha to welcome Mr. Khaitan with a bouquet of flowers. A huge round of applause for Mr. Arun Kumar Khaitan. Before we proceed, I'd like to request Mr. Arun Kumar Khaitan to speak a few words on this occasion.
Good afternoon to you all, especially to all the parents, Chief Guest Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni, all the coaches from Cricket India Academy, all the coaches from all other clubs, then the management of those clubs, my colleagues from SEDEL and friends. This under-12 league we have started by Cricket India Academy when we realized that probably for this age group there is only one such tournament which is being conducted, and what I found that probably there is a large crowd of kids across Mumbai who are very much interested and who are playing, but then they don't have any such platform to actually prove their skills and really bring them up. What we realized that today in Cricket India Academy we are imparting this cricket coaching. We have an exclusive tie-up with Cricket Australia for India, and this we are doing almost around 30 places in India. We are present there in about 8 cities in India. But then we found that in this particular game, even if we are giving the coaching to the kids, it's very, very important that the kids be given the opportunity to play in a match setup in a competitive environment. While they are getting that opportunity from Cricket India Academy within the match setup and such environment in the academy in which they are learning, but then it is very, very, very essential that they must be given an opportunity to actually play with the kids from different clubs, and they need to realize that where they stand. While doing so, we realized that when we are actually into this, why not we create such a platform for all the kids in this age group across Mumbai who get an opportunity to not only play but look forward for this tournament every year to prove their skills. And I think with that in mind, we started this Under-12 League, and I am really very thankful to all the club who really extended all the support and made this particular event a real success. It was really exciting to see kids that they were scoring around 250 plus runs. It was really exciting to see. It was really exciting to see their excitement when they are on the ground and the way they play and they stand together for the whole day. It was really exciting. I think probably in the beginning what we thought that how it will happen, how it will go, when we started a lot of apprehensions and questions were there in our mind. But finally when we done, I think it really turned out to be much better. And I think a lot of learning what we have got. Probably next year we will do in a much better fashion the same tournament. We really would like to make it a tournament for this particular age group and looking forward to get into other age groups also in due course of time. I think by saying so, and once again I would like to extend my thanks to all the coaches from Cricket India Academy and especially to our coach manager Mr. Nitin Khade and all my colleagues from SEDIL who really done a great job to make this event a successful event and especially the kids and their parents. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pratap, for the encouraging words. Our chief guest for today is Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni. Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni is a former Indian Test and one-day cricket player. He is a slow left-arm bowler and has a unique distinction of being the first Indian cricketer to take a wicket on the first ball of his Test debut against Sri Lanka. I think that deserves a huge round of applause. He is also a highly left-arm batsman down the line. Mr. Kulkarni has spent his entire first-class career with Mumbai, taking over 300 wickets with best figures of 7 for 60 against Andhra in 2004. Mr. Kulkarni also played for Oldhampton Cricket Club in the Surrey Championships in the UK during the 2007 and 2008 seasons. Along with being a world-class cricketer, he is also an ambitious businessman. This quality of his is reflected in the institute initiated by him for encouragement of sport education in India. The International Institute of Sports Management is one of its kind schools providing the education of sports management in Mumbai since the last few years. I would like to request the CEO of SEDIL, Mr. Arun Kumar Khaitan, to welcome him with a bouquet of flowers and memento of appreciation. A huge round of applause to Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni.
One more, wait. Yeah.
I'd like to invite Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni to speak a few words on this occasion.
God, it was a long introduction, I guess. I'll try and be, I'm liked by all the parents and kids because I'm a good chief guest. I'll take 2 minutes of yours in my speech, so I won't bore you too much. But thank you for Cricket India Academy for inviting me here. It's a good concept. Encouragements to kids is extremely important. And I think the most important thing is these kids. I was very happy to see that they're still playing cricket out there. It's extremely important even after the match, and that should be encouraged. We've got fantastic set of coaches at Cricket India Academy who've been my colleagues playing throughout my career days and been mentored or colleagues all throughout. I think it's important to have right guidance because a lot of parents get misguided by some of the coaches who make them believe that their kid is good like Sachin Tendulkar or Shane Warne. I think the extremely critical important factor in the entire growing years is try and be what you are and encourage them in what they can do. Because we as parents sometimes believe that a kid should at least achieve 85% and then in his spare time he should go and play cricket. But if he achieves 70% or 65% and still makes it a good, he can still get a good admission in a better college and still play and achieve and excel in his profession. So I think these are the fine lines as parents, as coaches, we need to encourage and make sure that give them that encouragement. You can probably try and compromise his timing to watch TV, but at least don't allow them to watch that, but make them play cricket or any like sport which they, it's a habit. I think it's important. तुम्हा सगळ्यांना मराठी कळतं का इंग्लिश कळतं? मी मराठीत बोलू का इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलू? मराठीत बोलू. मग कारण तुम्ही माझ्याशी चांगलं इंटरॅक्ट करू शकाल मराठीत बोलल्यावर. तुम्ही सांगाल त्या भाषेत मी तुमच्याशी बोलतो. कशात बोलू? मराठीत. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट तुमच्यासाठी काय आहे? मेहनत करत राहणं हे तुमच्या हातात आहे. आज आपण जेव्हा म्हणतो की आई किंवा बाबा किंवा सर तुम्हाला जेव्हा सांगतात की तुम्हाला 7 वाजता पोहोचायचं, तुम्ही जेव्हा 6:30ला पोहोचता ना सरांच्या आधी, तेव्हा सरांना बरं वाटतं. तुम्हाला ह्या सवयी लावून घेणं हे तुमचं कर्तव्य आहे. आणि जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो की आई बाबांना की अरे आई आज मला कंटाळा आलाय, क्रिकेट खेळायला कंटाळा येत नाही ना, मग अभ्यास करायला का कंटाळा येतो आहे की नाही? तुम्ही TV मिस करा, तुमचा कम्प्युटर मिस करा आणि तो वेळ तुम्ही क्रिकेटला द्या आणि तुमचा अभ्यास तुम्ही त्याच वेळेत करू शकता, बरोबर की नाही? अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टी असतात. क्रिकेट खेळणं ही अत्यंत चांगली गोष्ट आहे, कारण त्याच्याने तुम्हाला खूप चांगल्या सवयी लागतात आणि चांगलं क्रिकेट खेळणं कोचेसच्या अंडर हे पण तेवढंच महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला जेव्हा कोचेस सांगतात तेव्हा तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे की कोचेस सांगतात ते तुम्ही समजणं अत्यंत गरजेचं आहे. ते समजलं तर तुम्ही इम्प्रूव्ह होऊ शकता. तुम्ही आत्ता 5वीत असताना 10वीची एक्झाम देऊ शकता का नाही देऊ शकत? कारण तुम्ही तेवढे पोचलेले नसतात 10वीपर्यंत. त्यामुळे कोचेस जेव्हा काही गोष्टी सांगतात तेव्हा 5वीच्या प्रमाणेच तुम्हाला ती परीक्षा द्यायची असते. आणि क्रिकेटमध्ये पण असंच आहे. आत्तापर्यंत सगळे क्रिकेट खेळलेले लोक ह्याच प्रोसेसमधनं गेलेत, इन्क्लुडिंग आत्तापर्यंतचे ग्रेट राहुल द्रविड असू देत, सचिन तेंडुलकर असू देत किंवा आत्ताचा रोहित शर्मा, अजिंक्य रहाणे असू देत, सगळे ह्याच प्रोसेसमधनं गेलेत. तुमचं नशीब एवढं चांगलं आहे की तुम्हाला अंडर 12ला टुर्नामेंट्स मिळत आहेत. आम्ही जेव्हा क्रिकेट खेळत होतो तेव्हा या टुर्नामेंट्स नव्हत्या. त्यामुळे क्रिकेट इंडिया अकॅडमीला हे कॉम्प्लिमेंट देणं अत्यंत गरजेचं आहे की त्यांनी ही गरज सांभाळली, याचं रेकग्निशन घेतलं आणि ही टुर्नामेंट तुमच्यासाठी अवेलेबल करून दिली आहे, ज्याच्याने तुम्हाला पण कळतंय की तुम्ही काय करू शकता आणि त्यातच तुम्ही इम्प्रूव्ह होऊ शकता. ॲज कोचेस आय थिंक फॅन्टॅस्टिक जॉब. ॲज पेरेंट आय वुड लाईक टू रिक्वेस्ट दॅट डोंट एन्फोर्स एनिथिंग ऑन युअर चाइल्ड because he does not understand the rights and the wrong. Just encourage what he's good at and allow him to free his arms, because the moment he comes home and you ask him ki 50 केले का रे 100 का नाही झाले, that's the wrong strategy you're adopting to pressurize your kid. If he gets 50, he needs that encouragement of getting 50, because believe you me, getting 50 is also not easy. So don't enforce a lot of things, because I have experienced a lot of parents like to play cricket by being on this side, which should not be encouraged, because allow them to perform, allow them to do what they are, encourage them. Tomorrow he will get 100 or tomorrow he'll get a 5-wicket haul. So it's extremely important that we allow them to free and make sure that they excel in their own capacity. As a guest today, I would like to thank Cricket India Academy and Arunji for inviting me and wishing them all the best in their endeavors, future endeavors, and any support in some form or shape they would want me to associate. I'm happy to lend that. And thank you and wish you all the best. Congratulations winners साठी, आणि unfortunately runners up. Be motivated for next year. पुढच्या वर्षी तुम्ही definitely प्रयत्न करा जिंकायला. All the best. Thank you very much.